Dogecoin, is it going to break out? I'm going to pause for dramatic effect and try to build up the suspense here, Zach. It's going to break out soon. Is it? I don't know. Golly
Yeah.
gee whiz, is it looking to break out? Here's what I'm going to say, and then I'll throw it over to you. Let's take a look real quickly before we do that. Where is Dogecoin right now? Price point, the market, as of recording this video, is up about 0.28. Doge is right here, up 6% on the 7-day. We're at currently a little shy of 9 cents. My 2 cents is this. I think that Doge being a top, crypto, top 15 crypto, and it's going to move with the market. The market's not going to do a darn thing until we get the FOMC, the Federal Reserve meeting behind us on February 1. And however the winds of change, if they raise or don't raise, I think that's it. And then I think that's number one. And number two, that could all be killed. And if Elon Musk tweeted out tomorrow anything about Dogecoin, that's what I got.
Pretty much. Yeah. I mean, look what we saw happen back in November when Elon decided to go purchase Twitter. It went from essentially 6 cents all the way to almost 15 cents.
Yep.
Just on that news alone. So
just on that news.
It's crazy. I mean, but here's the thing with Dogecoin. And this isn't a knock on Dogecoin. But my question is, what are they doing? And I just wish there was more engagement there and more activity toward that. We know it's proof of work. It's more like Bitcoin than anything else. It's an old blockchain. It's been around since 2013. Mark Cuban loves it. Elon Musk loves it. But outside of that, Vitalik Buterin's on their board of advisors. All of that stuff's great, right? But what are they doing right now? What are they doing right now to build right now? Like with Shiba Inu, they're building Shibarium and L2. They're building a metaverse. They're doing things, and you know that this is part of their future. With Doge, we don't know what that looks like. And if we get information even on that, like if something pops up, and then obviously, Elon coming in behind it and endorsing it or whatever would be fantastic. But even if we got news about just, hey, here's, you've been waiting for what we're going to be doing. Well, here's what we're going to be doing. That could give a big bump in the price. But I still like Dogecoin. I do.
I think we all do. I own it. You own it. I think, we own some. I can't do any better than that. I think that's going to be probably close to the end of our comments. I think it's going to move with the market. If Elon does anything or not, or if he does anything, it'll move it. But I think, I think it's a lack of kind of what is it going to be? I think ultimately it's going to become a currency play, and that's really its main utility in some form or fashion. I think, again, Twitter, Elon, crypto more and more coming in as payments and tipping and all that kind of stuff. I think we'll see that play out. So any thoughts?
It's going to be fun to watch. And here's the thing. I think like SHIB, during this next big bull market, especially the beginning parts of it, it will act as that gateway, another gateway into crypto. People will flock to it. It's a household name. It's in people's mind, whether they hold it or not. They've heard about it because of what happened in 2021 and because of Elon. That helps.
Hey, man, Dogecoin and Elon launched my channel, and it had definitely helped to launch yours as well. So
no doubt.
I got it. There you go.
Thanks.
So all right. Well, we will see you later. If you want to learn anything more about Clear, links in the description below. Lots of amazing things coming, big things on the horizon. Check them out. Run them through your own due diligence. All things Clear Crypto. Subscribe to the channel. Lots of great content creators here making content for you to help you navigate crypto better. We'll see you. Bye.